Mrs. Bird. I'm the secretary in the guidance department. I work with Mr. Graves, Miss Kress, and Mr. Fatty. Some of you may wonder what I do in my spare time when I'm not at school. Well, this is it. I raise sheep. Your age. My dad raised them. We showed them in 4-H and different shows. I didn't like it much then. It was an awful lot of work. But as I grew older, it was something I really enjoyed. I have 20 moms. I have 30 babies. And maybe you'll get to see some of them as we walk around the farm. These babies that you're looking at now are born in December, late December, early January. So they're older than the one that I was holding earlier. The mom in the background, her name is Bubbles. She was one of my daughter's favorite ewes when she was showing in 4-H. The ear tags you see in their ears are for identification, so I know which baby goes with which mom. It doesn't hurt them when we do it. It's just like piercing your ears. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, some of the lambs have tails. All sheep are born with tails. But we take them off, we rubber band them and take them off for help to make them cleaner. The black lambs are not as common as the other lambs. So when we get a black lamb, we're really happy because that may bring a little more money when it comes to selling. But during lambing season, I usually get up at midnight and then back up at 3 and then back up at 5 in the morning. That's in the morning. And then I go to work and I come back and it starts all over again. A lot of times they need help when it's so cold to get the baby up and nursing and dry. When they're born wet. So when you add it to that cold weather, they could freeze to death very easily. So it's very important to get them dry and get them up and nursing. They should have food in their bellies 1 hour after birth to be a healthy lamb. Some of the babies will go to 4-H. You'll see them at a show maybe if you go to 4-H fair. We sell some. A lot of the girls, I hope they end up at somebody's farm like this so that they can grow up and have a good life. I do this for the love of it. I just love animals. Sheep are God's humble creature, so I guess they're my favorite sheep. The Bible refers a lot to sheep, and they have a lot of mannerisms that you and I do, whether you really think that or not. A shepherd of a flock like this, you see a person, not just a sheep.